Today we're checking out some vacuum attachments I found in Lowe's. So these are pretty gimmicky, but you can see my vacuum attachment all cracked up. So I walked by these and I was like, I'll give them a try. So these are from Shop Vac, and what these are, this one is the crevice tool. Looks like a nice little crevice tool, and it has a built-in LED light that supposedly comes on once you attach the vacuum and get it running. This one is more of the flat version. Has the built-in LED light as well. And again, Shop Vac brand. So hopefully, you know, they connect real good and easy to the vacuum. So pop it out. And look at that, look at that. Looks like some nice little tools to have around, especially if this little light feature works. So this is the crevice tool. It's a little, I don't know, is it a little wider? Yeah, it's a little wider opening than the one I originally had. So that's kind of good too, in my opinion. Has the tip cut off there, so that way it kind of keeps suction when you have this piece flat. It's able to maintain and not just get bogged down while you're trying to vacuum. So, I mean, that's pretty much it. Let's see if these are gimmicks or are these the real deal. I thought they were pretty neat. Let me throw this away. I definitely thought they would work pretty good if they do indeed actually work. So, yep, fits the vacuum cleaner. There you see it all loaded up. Switch to this one. Boom, easy peasy. Look at that, look at that. All right, so let's turn it on and see if the light comes on. And look at that, it actually came on. So, pretty cool. So let's do some vacuuming and see if this light is actually handy or not. So what's cool is once it gets suction, the light powers up. That's interesting. So let's just do some vacuuming. There's nothing too much to vacuum here, but this attachment with its wide mouth is able to cover a large area. So this is pretty nice, and it's still small enough. It has a nice like lip here. It gets into like the bottom of this plastic. Here, let me show you. So you can see here this lip is able to get right under this plastic in the interior and vacuum that part out pretty good. So pretty cool. So again, while you're vacuuming, the light powers up. So barely works. That's pretty cool. All right, let's find a spot to try the crevice tool. Got the crevice tool attached. And we're gonna get in here cup holders. Pull these out. Oh yeah, it's pretty handy. No light. Vacuum with light. Nice. Get these pedals while we're down here. And then what I like to do, all that emulsified dirt, you just vacuum it up. Nice. All right, well there you go. The Shop Vac new crevice tool with the LED light. It's also got that other attachment. Let me get that one. It's got the flat nose attachment. It's got the crevice tool. These are the two I found in Lowe's. I think they're pretty nifty. Pretty not too bad. I thought this was going to be a pretty gimmicky, but you know what? This will come in handy, especially under the seats and stuff. And they fit up right. They're nice and compact, and they fit on the vacuum real nice. So I give them 2 thumbs up. Pretty cool. I'm gonna keep using them. So you'll see me using them in videos to come, and I'll let you know if they start to get annoying or something, or if the light goes out real fast or something. But first thoughts, pretty nifty little things from Shop Vac. I'm gonna finish vacuuming this truck. I'll see you on the next one. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Go check it out, links below. Don't forget to get you a little sword for that deep cleaning, all right? Action after you vacuum, you gotta clean a little bit with the sword. Got odor neutralizers and stuff, got UV inhibitors, conditions everything real nice without changing the appearance or the scent. All right, go check it out, sword, links below.